Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the partying, the smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there come a time when you fade to the blackness, when you're staring at the phone in your lap and you're hoping but the people never call you back. But that's just how the story unfolds. You get another hand soon after you fold. And when your plans revel in the sun, what would you wish for if you had one chance? So airplanes, airplanes, sorry I'm late, I'm on my way, so don't close the gate. If I don't make that, then I'll switch my flight and I'll be right back at it. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars?